There you go. Breaking a box of 2007, 2008 Topps Letterman.
Oh yeah,
I don't even know what the hell that does.
Oh no.
See what you get.
Like special summon something?
N, B, or A?
I'll start with A. I would go A and B.
Let's go alphabetical.
No, I said A and B. Save bird for last.
Oh, A and B, not A then.
Save the best for last.
It only works for special summons. Oh, and if you get to summon all the monsters with the same name and card.
It's magic, please. Trade me. Or bird.
While there is a face-up.
There's a hit.
Everyone.
Oh, hell yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, 101, dude.
Oh, you saw my Kyber man.
Sean Williams, turn on the back. I think it's 1 of 1. 1 of 1.
101, Sean Williams.
Nice. Good hit, dude.
Not bad, not bad.
It's 1 of 1. You can't really complain.
I've already beat Jay.
Not bad at all.
1 of 1 means it's, you know what that means?
The only one.
The only one in the world. There's 2 eyes in his name, so it should actually be 1 of 2. But I guess it counts for both eyes.
There's only one first and one second.
So now you're gonna one's gonna be the non-auto. That's gonna be the auto.
For people that might try to do that.
Let's see.
Even the teachers do it. It's messed up. Even the teachers
Dirk.
do it.
Oh, that's not bad. Was it number 33 or something?
Of 9, 3 of 9.
Links don't count. You have to flinch.
Not bad.
Not too bad.
I just blinked.
Not too bad at
My
all.
eyes are dry. I blinked. Yeah, because
My eyes are dry too.
They weren't. You moved your body. So what? How do you explain that? No. That's stuff for that.
Of course, here at Harry's again. PJ Sports Cards in Chula Vista, California.
Sean Williams base.
If you like what you see, hit me up. Sean Williams base and we can work something
That's a
out.
refractor right there. Yeah, that's a refractor.
Oh, it looks like Kobe maybe, dude.
It's with the school, but I'm too lazy.
Rodney Stuckey.
But I'm too lazy.
Rodney Stuckey.
So I'm still gonna hit you.
Nice. What's the number 2?
Daddy messed up one day. Oh no.
75.
39.75. Cool. That's Topps Letterman.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.